Hey there! Today my focus is Galveston Island, Texas. We were there in 2020, in fact a week or so ago. I have really bad hair day today. Today is TS or maybe a Hurricane Beta day. So, I've been in and out of the rain a little bit already today. We were there Galveston Island weekend before last. And then I'm also going to include some pictures and short video from 2019 as well, as long as with some pictures in motion and some voice tutorials, and I hope you enjoy them. We love our beaches. So hey, you guys have a wonderful day, and please hit like if you like this video. Help a newbie out here. You have an excellent day. We're now on Galveston Island. We're in the city of Galveston at the Seawall Beach. Do you see that rainbow?
Yeah, I see it.
I know you see it, but I hope we can see it in the video. I don't see any rain clouds. I don't see any storm clouds, but there's definitely a rainbow out there. We like Galveston because it's a fun place. We don't like Galveston because it's touristy and there's a lot of traffic. But there is a lot of fun things to do in Galveston. But and of course there's the beach, and there's several beaches. I don't know how many. And there's some good shopping. It's a fun place, but it's more touristy. So we are seeing the raindrops now. And we just said we were in the very same spot one time and it rained just like this, just a little bit, just a touch. So there's a little amusement park pier. We've not done that because we don't really do amusement parks, but I'm sure it's fun. She left.
Where did she go?
She went.
Gone.
When we saw that black smoke, she must have been kicking it up.